Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about physics PH 8151 Unit 3 Thermal Physics Part B questions. So it is coming under Regulation 2017. It is common for all the branches of the engineering in Anna University. So Unit 3 Thermal Physics. Unit 3 Thermal Physics. Following topics are there: transfer of heat energy, thermal expansion of solids and liquids, expansion join, bimetallic strips, thermal conduction, convection and radiation, heat conduction in solids, thermal conductivity, Farbis and least disk method, theory and experiment, conduction through compound media, series and parallel position, thermal insulation, applications of thermal insulation, heat exchanger, refrigerator, oven and solar water heater. Here we are going to briefly discuss about the refrigerator. So what is refrigerator? The definition: it is a machine which produces cooled. It is used to remove heat from the refrigerated space and reject it to atmosphere. The principle of the refrigerator: a refrigerator works by passing a cool refrigerant gas around food items which absorb heat from them. That is the principle of the refrigerator. So next we can see the types of refrigerator system. The first main classification based on the types of external work. So using the mechanical energy, a cooled air refrigeration and a vapor compressor refrigeration. Using the heat energy, it classified into two categories: simple vapor absorption refrigeration and actual vapor absorption refrigeration. The second main classification based on the usage. So based on the usage, it classified into two categories: primary refrigeration and secondary refrigeration. The vapor compressor refrigeration. This is the diagram for the vapor compression refrigeration. Here two portion is the left side, right side. Left side internal heat exhaust coil is there. Right side external heat exchange coil is there. The middle electrically powered compressor having refrigerant, and below middle expansion valve is there. So the one side is a inside refrigerator, another side is a behind refrigerator. So this is the flowchart diagram for the vapor compression refrigerator. Next, main parts of the vapor compression refrigeration: expansion valve, compressor, evaporator, refrigerator. So what is expansion valve function? It is also referred as the flow control device. It controls the flow of the liquid refrigerant into the evaporator. Next main part, compressor. It consists of a motor that sucks in a refrigerant from the evaporator and compresses it in a cylinder to make a hot. That is the function of the compressor. The third main part is a evaporator. This is the part that actually cools the stuff kept inside the refrigerator. It consists of fine tubes that absorb heat blow through a coil by a fan. So the evaporator absorbs heat from the stuff kept inside. The fourth one is a condenser. It consists of a coiled set of tubes with external fins and is located at the rear of the refrigerator. So as the heat of the refrigerant is removed, its temperature drops to condensation temperature and it changes its state from the vapor to liquid. Next main part, refrigerant. It is also referred to as a coolant. It's the liquid that keeps the refrigerant cycle going. So the refrigerants such as ammonia R290 R600A are used. The working of the vapor compressor refrigeration. The refrigerant, which is now is a liquid state, passes through the expansion valve and turn into the cool gas. So due to the sudden drop in pressure, the cool refrigerant gas flows through the chiller cabinet. It absorbs the heat from the food item inside the fridge and vaporizes. After the condenser, the liquid refrigerant travels back to the expansion valve where it experiences a pressure drop and once again becomes a cool gas. So this is the cyclic process and working of the vapor compression refrigeration. So thank you. All the best for your future. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.